Hello, this is Guy Epstein from MSolutions. I will show you the UCT, our latest module for the MS106B tester. As you can see, this module can test USB-C cables for all functionalities. On top of that, you can also test for connectivity with the USB-C device that you want to extend. You can get a full map of your USB connection, plug it into the top of the tester right here, and then you will get an image, a full list of all devices that are connected on that link. You can choose the device that you want to test, and you will see all the details about that device, such as the VID, the PID, the interface, the endpoints, and most important, the tier count. You will be able to know how many tiers you have on your link and where your device is placed on that link. That was the UCT. For more information, please go to www.m4, the number 4, sol.com.